It is a dream deeply rooted in the American dream. I have a dream that one day this nation will rise up, live out the true meaning of its creed. We hold these truths to be self-evident, that all men are created equal. I have a dream today.
ఉండు లేదా ఇంకోటి వచ్చి దాని కింద పెట్టేసి
I am Rigoberta Menchú, Maya Quiche from Guatemala. Our humanity need work together for peace. People need to be happy. The violence is the result of the loss
3D
of
projection
respect for life. That's why peace is freedom, education, culture, quality of life and happiness. I invite all you visitors of the Crystal World to participate in the building the peace together. In Quiche, Onoje Kochukun Chutikik, Kaslamay.
Mahatma Gandhi.
There is an indefinable, mysterious power that pervades everything. I feel it, though I do not see it. It is this unseen power which makes itself felt and yet defies all proof, because it is so unlike all that I perceive through my senses. It transcends the senses, for I can see that in the midst of death, life persists. In the midst of untruth, truth persists. In the midst of darkness, light persists.
-2 ఇంకా మళ్ళీ
As far as we, the citizens, are concerned, we are no politicians, and it has never been our wish to meddle in politics. But we know of few things that the politicians do not know, and we feel the duty to speak up. The situation calls for a courageous effort, for a radical change in our whole attitude, in the entire political context.